Now you can tell by the title, guys, this video is going to be showing you guys how to get free coins in FC Mobile 25, guys. This is a brand new working redeem code, guys, and this will work for FC Mobile 25. Now this works in the beta version, this will work in the full version as well, and it is awesome. You're going to get a ton of free coins in FC 25 Mobile, and you can even get free points as well, and packs too. So super easy method, guys, and this will, of course, save you a bunch of money. If we go to the in-app purchases of FC Mobile, you can see, guys, doesn't explicitly state how many coins and points you get, but you can see, guys, it can rack up a lot of money. So super easy method, guys. Like I said, this will use a FC Mobile redeem code that you can enter in your game, and it's working on, of course, iOS and Android. So just open up the internet browser and go to this website on your mobile phone, www.robotcoupons.com. So very important, you type it correctly, guys, Robot Coupons. This is a coupon and codes website. Now they have tons of different pages on here, and they have some of your favorite games. They have some of your favorite online stores. You need to look for the FC Mobile page. So I'm just going to type in FC Mob, and you can see, guys, EA Sports FC Mobile redeem codes. So you need to go to this page. Now there is a few different options on here. You can get 1 million free coins in FC Mobile 25. You can get 20,000 free points. You can get 500,000 worth of packs, and you can even get free gems as well. So this video, we're focusing on the free coins in FC Mobile 25. Now you can see, guys, these codes are limited in number. So click on show code, and you will need to unlock your personal free coins code. This is completely normal, and this basically prevents people from stealing millions and millions. It limits one code per person. So you can only get 1 million free coins, but that is still a lot. So tap unlock code. Now, I've already done this. I don't want to waste a code for this video, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. But basically, guys, when the loading screen reaches 100%, you are going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you exactly how to go ahead and unlock your code. It's completely free. And yeah, if this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will need to verify yourself. And basically verify you're a real person, follow the instructions, complete a couple of tasks, and once you've done that, your code will be unlocked, guys, and you can redeem it in FC Mobile 25, and that's going to supply you 1 million free coins. And yeah, have a check, check what else, have a look what else is available as well, such as free points. But pretty easy. Go to Robot Coupons, guys, search for the FC Mobile redeem codes page, and unlock your code. So hope you found the video useful. Smash that like button if you did, and let me know in the comments below what you think of FC Mobile 25, and I'll see you next time.